By the time you're watching this video, it will be Friday, 24 hours to Valentine. I want you to give this recipe a try. Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together once again. You want to start by adding 1 egg in a bowl. I move in with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you wish. Then I move in with homemade unsweetened yogurt. I made the yogurt by myself, okay? Go ahead, take your time and mix till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, once I'm done mixing, I'm going to add part of the flour that I'll be using for this recipe. Make sure to sieve the flour before making use of it. Then move in with baking powder and salt. It does not require too much ingredients, okay? Now, I'm going to quickly mix, then I move in with the remaining flour. Remember, feel free to add any other ingredient of your choice. If you are using sweetened yogurt, then you can control the amount of sugar that you add. Okay, now once I add the remaining flour, I move in with my fingers, start mixing till everything comes together. Now you don't need to overwork the dough, you bring it together, okay, because it looks so soft while working on it. Try it, you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, after bringing it together, this is what we have. Now we are going to cover and allow to rest for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, time to take it to another level. I love the texture. Trust me when I say it's a must try, it is a must try recipe. Okay, now we'll move to the work surface. Dust with some flour, place the dough, move in with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Beautiful shout out to you, Maggie watching from Maryland, Mabel from Canada, Lina from Togo, Anna from Venezuela, Claire Purity watching from Kenya, and Emilia all the way from Sweden. Whoops! Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe and I'm wishing you all a happy Valentine. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? After rolling, you are going to cut or use any mold, any shape at all. Go ahead and cut the dough, okay? Now use any design, any mold of your choice, any design of your choice. It doesn't matter, but I'm going for a round shape. Now, the thickness of the dough while rolling depends on you. This is what the thickness of mine looks like. You can roll more thicker than mine or you can roll more flatter than mine. The choice is yours, okay? As you can see. Now, it is time to fry. In a deep hot moderate oil, throw these cuties one after the other. If you watch upon this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video for the sake of Valentine, for the sake of love. Please, I'm begging you to give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Above all, please hype this video. This month is my birth month. Show me some love by hyping this video, okay? I appreciate you for doing that. Thank you so much. Flip the cuties around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I'm loving it. I'm sure you do. Take it off the heat once it is ready. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this simple yummy. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Look at that. I'm loving it. You can enjoy just the way it is, or you can dust with sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. This is totally optional, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, look at that. Now I take a bite, and this is what the inside looks like. Super yummy, so filling. Look at the texture. This can serve as a food or as a snack. You can use this to take tea, coffee, or any beverage of your choice. Another business idea sitting right before you. You can use this for commercial purposes. It's a month of love. You can prepare this and share to your neighbors. Don't enjoy alone. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Happy Valentine to you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.